Yes. We party here inside the house. We only go out when there's an occasion or party for the outside. Let's go. Let's go, guys. How was your day, Papa?
She's 20.
And then, Ate, I did nothing today. I was on a mission first. That's all I did today.
She's the oldest one.
Huh?
She's 24.
No, I didn't go to school. No, I'm a apprentice. Apprentice, not apprentice. Apprentice. Ate. Yes. I don't go to work. You don't want me to go to work. Yes. Yes.
Thank you, Antonio.
Pansan, I go to the house with that. Dating? Eh.
Lang.
Na love me, the love. Oh. You don't have pakwan. Huh? She don't have pakwan. She's flat.
I don't have that one. Thank you, Auntie Cam.
No pakwan.
Ay, magsayaw ka din sa camera ko.
Ha?
Magsayaw ka.
Tayo mo. Tayo ano.
Pagkitas. Dangerous.
Kungkan? Kungkan? Kungkan kasi yun. I know kungkan. Yeah, the little one. Yes. Yeah.
Request sanitary.
Ryan.
Let's go, guys. She's gonna dance for you. I'm gonna dance for you guys. Okay? Are you guys ready?
What's that? It's orange.
Notice you. Notice me.
Yeah. Yeah. Aray ko! Sabi ko sa'yo, flat. Flat tayo eh. Thank you so much, Laba. Nice.